Hello guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. Here in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can catch this ancient trench fossilized shark in Fish It. So first, let me tell you that the location of the fossilized shark is inside the tropical grove. So it is a mythic tire fish from the tropical grove. So you can just sail out to the tropical grove first to get this mythic fish, and the shark can be caught in any time and also any weather. You can just use your bass rod and bait combo to get this one. Here I'm using the element rod and also the singularity bait. And as for the location, you can get it here in this cave right here, or also the other cave on the left side of the tropical grove. So guys, try your luck to get this mythic shark. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on